Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will explain auto manual starter wiring step by step with a simple explanation,
so that beginners can easily understand it. This type of circuit is commonly used in control panels and industrial machines. So watch the video till the end. Let's start the video.
First, let's see the components required for this wiring. We need MCB for circuit protection, contactor to control the motor, overload relay OLR for motor protection, start push button, stop push button, auto manual selector switch. This selector switch is used to choose between auto mode and manual mode. Now let's start the wiring. Step 1. Power connection. First connect the main supply to the DPMCB. After that, connect the neutral wire to A2 terminal of the contactor. Now connect the phase wire to terminal 95 of the OLR. Then from terminal 95, connect the wire to the common terminal of the selector switch. Step 2. Manual mode wiring. Now first we will see the manual mode connection. From the selector switch A2 manual terminal, connect it to the stop push button. From the stop button, connect to the start push button. Then connect it to A1 terminal of the contactor. Step 3. Holding connection. Now we need to add the holding connection. This is very important. Without holding connection, the contactor will turn off after releasing the start button. So, connect A1 terminal of the contactor to terminal 13, NO auxiliary contact. Then from terminal 14, connect it to the output of the stop button. Now the holding circuit is completed. Step 4. Auto mode wiring. Now let's see the auto mode connection. This is very simple. From the auto terminal of the selector switch, connect directly to the A1 terminal of the contactor. That's it. Auto manual starter wiring is completed. Now let's understand how this circuit works. First, turn on the MCB. Now the supply is flow in the circuit. When the selector switch is in off position, the contactor will not turn on. Now let's see how manual and auto mode works. First, see manual mode working. Now select manual mode. Rotate the selector switch to A2 position in the right side, and then press the start button. The contactor will turn on. Because of the holding connection, the contactor will remain on, even after releasing the start button. To stop the motor, press the stop button. Now let's see how auto mode works. Rotate the selector switch to A1 position in the left side. Now the contactor will turn on automatically. To turn it off, rotate the selector switch back to the off position. This connection is very important for electricians and panel builders. You will see this circuit in many industrial applications. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel for more electrical wiring tutorials. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.